Here, my lord, the youth wing, my lord, of the
release.
the youth wing of the party in opposition, they have applied rally and public meeting. The application is at page 20, and but we have kept the numbers, my lord, very reasonable. We have kept it restricted to 3,000 only.
Where is that written?
Page 20, my lord, of the petition.
Where is it 3,000 written?
Yes, 3,000, my lord, will find at
21,
page
fifth line.
21,
Fifth line.
fifth line. Expected number of participants. It is to start from, my lord, Rashbihari Metro at 2 o'clock, and, my lord, it will end at, my lord, Kosba Police Station with a stage opposite, my lord, the Kosba Police Station. It is not a junction, my lord, where Kosba Police Station is situated.
You have you decided on the issue or no?
My lord, I'll spell out the decision, my lord. My lord, these people, when they last time congregated, this was the situation, my lord, on 28th of June, my lord, barricades broken, my lord, kindly see. My lord, if this is the, my lord, antecedent, my lord,
No, but you have communicated to them.
my lord, it has not been communicated, my lord. But, my lord, we are very loath to, my lord, give this permission, my lord. Since the rally is tomorrow, my lord, your lordship will kindly decide, my lord.
I will decide, but when are the accused persons supposed to be produced before the court?
Next date.
Next date.
I'll give the date. But, my lord,
Are they in the police custody of Kosba police station?
my lord, the rally, my lord, even if your lordship permits the rally, though, my lord, as I said, my lord, I'm very loath to, my lord.
Wait, I'm just.
But not up to Kashba PS, my lord. Kindly up to Bijan Setu or
that I will speak with him, sir.
up to PC Sharka's house, my lord. There they can disperse.
I will take a decision. You tell me where is the date of production of the accused persons?
मतलब the production date I'm informing. आज के चलो.
Possibly it was today. I was watching the news yesterday as much as
If PC is given, I will not advise you to go up to the Kosba. Why don't you go to the other parts, sir? You start from that place. Starting point I got.
This is about, my lord.
What's the notional value of Kosba? Why?
I'll tell you, lordship, my lord. Now this is, my lord. We have pleaded also, but the atrocities which are being perpetrated on the women in Bengal, my lord, and, my lord, as a protest, a symbolic protest, my lord, against, my lord, police inaction, my lord. It happened in RG Court, and, my lord, there are, my lord, every, my lord, other day, my lord, there are incidents, my lord, which are being reported pertaining to atrocities being committed on women. So this is a symbolic protest, my lord. My lord kindly appreciates, my lord.
Go to the police headquarters.
Symbol.
My lord kindly appreciates.
This is the symbolic protest, my
My
lord.
lord kindly appreciate. My lord, I will just exhaust myself. Thereafter, my learned friend will definitely have enough time, my lord.
That was a particular date. I am not taking everything into consideration. I am not stalling you also. But why don't you go to the police headquarters?
We do not want it, my lord, in, my lord, blocking Kosba police station. Kosba police station, my lord, the thoroughfare, my lord, is wide enough. On the opposite side of Kosba police station, my lord, there's the Siddhartha Shankar Rai park, my lord.
You go in the park.
No, my lord, we can have it, my lord. We can.
You go in the park.
Park is, my lord, it is basically a water reservoir, my lord. Park.
No, park, sir, that Boshpukur that they do.
Is
far away.
This is before Boshpukur.
The production is today, but how long the PC will be extended, my lord, this I cannot inform.
That is one of my worries actually.
But even otherwise, but immediately after the Bijan Setu on the right hand side is the college itself. Then the Kosba PS comes. So even if this procession goes to the Kosba PS, it has to cross the college, my lord.
Highly appreciates, my lord. This is a recognized political party, my lord.
I have no issues regarding that, sir. But you know what happens is this. First of all, police stations, you don't have manning so much. Number one. Number two is that that will give a leverage actually to all political parties to go to this is an individual. Your main purpose is against the police administration, not against Kosba police station.
It is against, my lord, the failure of the police to prevent, my lord, commission of rape inside.
So that's a police which is
an educational institution, my lord,
very good,
which is under the jurisdiction of Kosba police station.
So they see that is what I am saying, that under the jurisdiction you cannot target the police station.
But we are not targeting, my lord. We are not targeting. My lord may bind us down, my lord. My lord may bind us down with conditions. My lord can also record my undertaking. We intend to have it, my lord, opposite to, my lord, Kosba police station. The yes, the culminating point is opposite foot of Kosba police station. Under no circumstances, my lord, the police station, my lord can bind us down by
3,000 people.
My lord, there are instances, my lord, there are orders passed by the Honorable Court when the student in Jadavpur University died. My lord, the Honorable Court permitted, my lord, political rally.
Sir, I am, see, whether I like or not, the law is something like that. I have got to give permission. Until only I have got the powers to impose reasonable restrictions. And I will not go out of what is the settled proposition of law. So, as you are a registered political party, you have a responsibility also, sir. You think regarding the commoners who will be plying in the streets, I've got nothing to say. So far as the end location is concerned, you choose a different point. Starting location, I have got nothing to
But
say.
kindly pass it over for 2 minutes, my lord. I'll just
End location somewhere.
I'll just
You go for a better.
I appreciate, my lord, what is falling from the Honorable Court, my lord. My lord, kindly,
Because once you start, no, everything is not within your hand.
my lord, kindly grants me, my lord, what has fallen from the Honorable Court is, my lord, that if there is PC, my lord, then I understand, my lord, what is passing through the Honorable Court's mind. My lord, kindly bear with me for 2 minutes, my lord. I'll just take instructions and I'll come back, my lord. In 2 minutes.
Beside the before he goes up for the instruction, my lord, beside the Bijan Setu, there's a good place to disburse also this entire crowd.
I'll take
So he can take instructions from that.
Take instructions. I am also against, because the police, this will say that it should be, the history is very poor. I just wanted to be a bit strict on all political parties.
I completely appreciate, my lord, what is falling from the Honorable Court or what is passing through my lord mind. But I'll just take instructions.
Please do.
একজন থাক
Are there any grounds over there nearby?
on that left hand side, which
Anywhere before Bijan Setu? I don't want a
triangular part. That will shorten the rally.
triangular park.
Triangular park is the last part on the main road. And
there is another park over there. I don't know how much. If you go from there, take a left turn from there towards South Point. There is one small
park. That is very small.
Very small.
Chaplin Park is very small. That is near the old South Calcutta Law College.
Yes. University.
Like Cornfield. University there. It is Cornfield.
There is a park over there, but
Chaplin Park. But it is very small.
Small, not for 3,000 people. I'll go to this.
3,000 is also very. But the best place is on the left. Then it can disperse, or they can go up to PC Sharka's house on that side, up to that bus stand, mini bus stand, and they can disperse there. Near this towards the Baligan station.
I was
bus stand 2A, na? 2A bus stand. A bus stand is the best place.
There is a 2A bus stand over there.
It's a multi-lane bus stand. There's a multi-lane bus stand.
No, that may not attract people over there. That may be a reservation for them. Then the best I was seeking in terms of otherwise actually also. They go to the opposite side from there. There is a place in front of this presidency jail. Just the opposite side. They will come over here. From Haja towards this side. That would not be congesting the traffic of Calcutta also.
Hazra to that side means Malad over Boris Chatterjee Street. But that will create a lot of.
Yes.
No.
Yes. What is your proposal?
Malad can direct us, Malad, to make the culminating point 300 meters before, Malad, the police station. 300
PO is there 300 meters before.
300 or 400 meters before the police station, or opposite to, Malad, the South Calcutta Law College.
It's a small road though.
No, it's South Calcutta Law College has now shifted. It's on
the road.
It's on really connected.
But after Bijan Setu,
so South Calcutta Law College is closed now.
It's closed now.
But closed now though.
Malad, kindly, Malad, it's up to the Bijan Setu, Malad. Up to the Bijan.
Where is South Calcutta Law College now?
Calcutta Law College.
Immediately,
if we get down from the Bijan Setu, we take the Bijan Setu from Goria 1 to 5.
1 to 5 p.m. But anyway, I should not get a complaint, sir. And so, because this is as a matter of course, please, you are also an officer of the court, sir.
I'll do is, Malad, I'll advise my clients, Malad, to have drones this time so that, Malad,
sir, this is a culture, sir.
What can we?
So please, tell them that the commoners should not. This is for what, sir? For plying of the vehicles, sir. Nothing more than that.
Difficulty is what the police.
No, there was a time, sir.
Yes.
The procession didn't have 100%, sir. I have seen in North Bengal this is done. I have seen that. Maybe 25%, a single lane, they are going in a manner so the whole of the vehicles are following them in the streets. So this,
Personally, what I can say is I have grown up, my lord, in an era seeing, my lord, road blockades, Bangla bonds, and that's how we
No,
have
but yes,
part of, my lord,
That's why we need to outgrow this.
yes.
no, with passage of time, you have got to change yourself also, sir.
Absolutely.
Vehicles were also less at the
Petitioner being the Bharatiya petitioner
field bond by Sujan Chakraborty.
namely one
Jadavpur Mode.
Raj Chaudhary filed on behalf of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha West Bengal pre-aid for or a procession, rally and public meeting, and to that effect address to the Joint Commissioner of Police Headquarters, 18 Lalbajar Street, Kolkata 701. Amongst others, petitioner pre-aid for expected participants in the rally to be 3,000, and the timing of such rally between 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. on 2nd of July 2025. The purpose of the rally was a protest against the rising crime against women, sexual assault on students inside college campus, failure of law and order, lawlessness, policy paralysis of the state government, and failure of state government to tackle rising in case of rape and sexual assault on women. 21 পাতায় 9 নম্বর আইটেম 2 কে নেমে, হ্যাঁ। আচ্ছা, the route details which shall be provided by the petitioner is commencement of such procession from Rashbihari Mode, bracket the Kalighat Metro, and the end point to be Kosba police station. Full stop. Mr. Bhattacharya, learned senior advocate, appearing on behalf of the petitioner, submitted aid that having that at the petitioner being the youth wing of the opposition party in the state is intends to raise the issues and as such as a notional point and as such notionally has kept Kosba police station as the end point. Full stop. Mr. Bandyopadhyay, senior standing counsel, appearing on behalf of the state, has opposed such contention as there has been incidents of violence in front of the Kosba police station in the recent past. Full stop. I have considered so far as the end point is concerned, since the investigation of the case is in progress and the accused person and the accused persons are in custody, are in police custody. At this juncture, I am also not inclined to permit the procession to culminate at Kosba police station. As such,
In fact, we are also not volunteering that.
as such, Mr. Bhattacharya was asked to, Mr. Bhattacharya, an advocate, was asked to reconsider the culmination point accordingly on instructions. Just write on a piece of paper where is the point.
Yes.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, please check and see where is the point you are wanting so that nothing equivalent.
reconsider the coordination point
on instruction. But, on instructions, and after much deliberations, the following venue as a culmination point has been finalized. যা দেবে ওরা লিখে নেবে। হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা, the having consider the traffic congestion during the office hours, the petitioner and the petitioner are being asked to change the timings. They have it was agreed that the procession would commence at 1 p.m. and would culminate at culminate by 5 p.m. at the venue referred to above. Full stop.
Immediately after crossing.
আচ্ছা,
আবার লিখে
ওই মিস্টার বন্দ on behalf of the state, the following terms, you have got the terms and conditions, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
It's appended to the permission, my lord.
You have for many other programs also. Many, it's not
These are the standard, my lord.
standard minimum. You will not be able to এখানে বক্স দিয়ে চাবে না, ওখানে বলছে সাউন্ড সিস্টেম করবে।